Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act quickly. First, make sure Snapchat is updated and you are signed in. Open chats and locate the exact conversation with the snap. Tap the chat to reveal messages. Once done, press and hold the specific snap or message you sent. Don't tap anything else. A contextual menu appears. This is the first actionable moment where you choose control. You're starting the unsend flow now, so move deliberately and check the timestamp to confirm it's the correct item. Once the menu is visible, select Delete. Snapchat usually shows Delete for everyone or a Confirm option. Choose that to attempt removal. You're doing this because Snapchat removes the content from the chat thread and tries to clear associated view counts or links. Make sure to confirm when prompted. Cancellation reverts nothing. If the snap had been viewed, deletion removes the chat entry, but may not retract what was seen. So understand this limitation and act before the recipient opens it. After confirming deletion, refresh the chat. You should see a notice or the message removed. This verifies success. If the snap still appears or the recipient views it, restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. Sometimes caching delays the update. If problems persist, capture screenshots of the issue and open Snapchat support with a brief timeline. Include timestamps. Keep in mind, unsend works most reliably before a recipient opens the snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.